of a blue-green deployment, and I have shared with you also when we are doing it. So I told you that here it is explained the blue-green deployment with the diagram, right? So what it says that there are two versions, blue and green. Currently the end user is pointing to blue, right? That is version v1, and a development team deploy a new version v2 to the secondary slot. As and when this v2 is tested, this pointer is shifted from v1 to v2. Now the user will be pointing to the v2 version. So this is known as blue-green deployment. Okay. Similarly, there is a graphical view of the Canary deployment. Canary deployment means partial deployments, right? Some of the users will pointing to the new version, some of them are pointing to the older version. See here. So this is the Canary deployment. In Canary deployment, most of the users, so initially all the users are pointing to the v1, right? Then let's say 90% of users are still using the v1, but 10% users are switched to v2. So gradually we start moving people from older version to new version. Those 10% people which are least impacted will be chosen first. If there is an issue, there will be a least impact, right? Not very critical application or critical users. Then next set of users, and then next set of users, and so on. And gradually all the users are pointing to the new version. So this is the Canary deployment, right? So this question might be asked in interview: difference between Canary deployment and blue-green deployment.